This is Anycubic Filament, one of the most popular brands in the 3D printing community. In this video, I'll be discussing the pros and cons of Anycubic Filament, its performance, and my overall experience with it. The first thing I noticed about Anycubic Filament is its high quality packaging. The film comes in a sturdy box that protects it from moisture, dust, ensuring that the print will be optimal and it will come out perfect. In terms of performance, Anycubic Filament is very reliable and easy to use. It has a consistent diameter and it's compatible with a wide range of 3D printers. I didn't experience any clogs or jams during my testing, and the printed objects I printed came out with a sleek, smooth finish and excellent detail.
Nice.
Another great feature of Anycubic Filament is its color range. They offer a variety of colors to choose from, mine personally being gray or orange, but in the end all are vibrant and consistent. This makes it easy for you to find your perfect color for your project. One potential downside to Anycubic Filament is its price. It is not the most affordable filament on the market, but I think it's worth an investment if you're looking for high quality and reliable results. You obviously can go and buy a cheaper filament, but that poses the risk of messing up a print or not getting as smooth as results. Compared to other popular brands such as PLA Plus and ABS, I found that Anycubic Filament had a better printing performance and more consistent results. Finally, I find it helpful that Anycubic Filament comes in a box with a resealable bag, allowing you to store the filament back in a box and keep it in optimal condition until your next print. Overall, I highly recommend Anycubic Filament for anyone looking for a high quality, reliable, and easy to use filament for their 3D printing projects. While it might be a little bit more expensive than other options, I think it's worthwhile for the investment for the quality and consistency of the results it provides. Lastly, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing 3D printing content.